Good morning, class 2. This is your Bincy ma'am here. In this video, we are going to read and learn chapter 3 of our value education, which is Wild Car Race. The moral that we are going to learn or the life skills we have covered is goodness, kindness, and friendship. Time to learn. My goodness, that was such a nice thing to do. You thought of others as more important than you. You were not selfish and you did not complain. When you shed your umbrella out in the rain, you did a good deed and you didn't think twice. When you gave that hungry boy the rest of your rice. Life is so much better when you give instead of take. So keep on doing good for goodness sake. Let us read a fictional story of a wild car that ran on good deeds. In a faraway land, there were once small wild cars that would roam freely around the countryside. They did not need gasoline to run. All they needed to run were good thoughts and desires. Those cars became very famous. The wild car races were everyone's favorite pastime. Every boy started dreaming of driving such cars. Their honesty and sincerity made them ideal drivers. However, it was difficult to find children with such good hearts who could maintain good thoughts throughout the entire race. Tests were held to discover new talent. In each test, every boy got an opportunity to demonstrate his abilities with the wild cars. One day, testing team arrived at the small town where a boy named Nicky lived. Nicky was a good kid who, like many others, didn't sleep that night. While queuing up, waiting his turn to drive one of the cars. During the wait, many boys rehearsed and practiced their good wishes and thoughts. But as soon as the gates were opened, everyone pushed each other so bad that showed that all were not as good as they were appearing. However, organizers expected this kind of thing. A few simple tests, such as thanking someone for giving a chocolate, helping to prepare the races, and respectfully attending to an annoying old lady, were held. There was only a small group of really good children who passed the test. Nikki was among them. Those children got turns to get into the cars and do a few laps of circuit. Nicky's heart was beating very fast, seeing how the cars accelerated. Due to the excitement, he could hardly run and so was the last to get into his car. He was so happy that he was a little late to realize that there was one last boy yet to get into his car. A boy who walked using crutches. At this moment, Nicky heard head of test team saying to the crippled boy, I am very sorry, my boy. There are no more cars left, and this is the last test of the day. The cars have to be rested soon. Witnessing the deep sadness of the crippled boy, Nicky took a deep breath, got out of his car, and said, It's okay, he can have my car. The engine of that car roared like never before, while the crippled boy got in the car filled with joy. Nicky was happy at what he had done, though a little bit disappointed. But before setting off, the other boy saw the sadness on Nicky's face and he reached out his hands, saying, "Get in, we will go together, even though it will make us a bit slower." Nicky got in the car. The two happily embraced each other. They hardly did anything else after that to run the car, yet their car thundered like a rocket. That race broke all known records during that season. Nicky and his friend won every competitions they entered. Moral: we learned. Positive feelings are shown in practice above all when this demands sacrifice. So, children, in this video, we learned the moral that we should be practicing positive thoughts and deeds. I hope you liked this story. We will meet in our next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay happy. Thank you.